This is the video guide dedicated to help you in getting rid of the adware, which is called ExpandedSystem. The research indicates that this is the adware that specifically attacks Mac computers and Mac browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox. But my personal observation indicates that this ExpandedSystem adware primarily targets Safari browser. ExpandedSystem adware is often spread through fake software or browser update alerts. It's a mistake for you to tolerate this adware, and the problem is that very often the adware is installed without the user's consent or permission. So if you have discovered these ads to attack your screen, these ads by ExpandedSystem adware, the only correct conclusion in this case is to remove this adware. Go to your Mac Finder, then go to your applications. Once you find this ExpandedSystem on the list, right-click on it, move it to the trash. And of course, if you see other suspicious programs, get rid of them. I also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application. This is the way the program looks like. It is initially in the trial mode in your case, but in my case it's a premium mode, but even the trial version has got free features. For instance, disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will begin researching and investigating your system, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of all threats which were found on your Mac computer. Keep in mind that the scanning duration may take several minutes. It depends on various factors. For instance, it may depend on how infected the system is, or it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and also it may depend on some other factors. At the end of the scan, you'll see the information about threats, their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium as the best solution to protect your Mac computer in the future.